Impulse wave rules in Elliott wave theory. Impulse waves are the backbone of Elliott wave theory, but they're not random. They follow clear, unbreakable rules that guide how market trends unfold. In this section, we'll explore the foundational rules that define a valid five-wave impulse structure. Whether you're trading Forex, crypto, or stocks, understanding these rules is essential for accurate wave counts and successful predictions. Let's begin by breaking down the three core rules that every impulse wave must follow. The foundation of impulse waves. Impulse waves form the core structure of market trends in Elliott wave theory. They always unfold in a five-wave pattern. Three of these waves move in the direction of the trend, while two act as corrective pullbacks. These waves aren't arbitrary. They're guided by strict, unbreakable rules that help analysts identify valid patterns and eliminate false counts. This structure not only shows momentum, but also builds the framework for anticipating future price movements. Wave 2 retracement. Rule number 1 of impulse waves is simple but absolute. Wave 2 cannot retrace more than 100% of wave 1. This means that wave 2 must not fall below the starting point of wave 1. Why is this important? Because if wave 2 completely erases wave 1's progress, then the uptrend is invalidated, and we're no longer looking at an impulse wave. Typically, wave 2 retraces about 50% to 61.8%, but never the full distance. This rule ensures that bullish momentum remains intact and the trend continues to unfold upward. Wave 3's length. Rule number 2 in impulse wave theory states, wave 3 can never be the shortest among waves 1, 3, and 5. In fact, wave 3 is typically the longest and most explosive wave, fueled by strong market momentum and widespread participation. If wave 3 turns out to be the shortest, the wave count is invalid and must be reconsidered. Fibonacci ratios often support this structure. Wave 3 is commonly 1.618 times the length of wave 1. This wave attracts traders, confirms trend direction, and often signals the most profitable move in the sequence. Rule number 3 in Elliott wave impulse structure states, wave 4 must never enter the price territory of wave 1. This means the lowest point of wave 4 should stay above the highest point of wave 1. Why does this matter? Because overlapping these zones would blur the distinction between impulse and corrective structures and violate the wave integrity. This rule ensures a clear, non-overlapping structure that preserves the Elliott wave sequence. If overlap occurs, the wave count is considered invalid and must be recalculated. Why impulse wave rules matter? So why do these impulse wave rules really matter? Because they protect the structure of the Elliott wave pattern. If even one rule is broken, like a wave 2 that drops too far, a wave 3 that's too short, or a wave 4 that overlaps wave 1, the entire wave count becomes invalid. These rules ensure structural integrity, accuracy in your analysis, consistency across time frames. Following them prevents costly misinterpretations and keeps your Elliott wave projections reliable and predictive. What to do if a rule is broken? So, what happens if a rule is broken? That's a clear sign. Your wave count is invalid. Step 1. Recount. Re-evaluate the entire structure from the beginning. Step 2. Look for alternative valid wave scenarios that follow the rules. Elliott wave analysis is precise, and when the pattern breaks, it's not a failure. It's a signal to reset, reanalyze, and realign with the market's true rhythm. Final takeaways and next steps. Before we move on, let's summarize the essentials. Check. Master the rules. Memorize the three core rules of impulse waves. They are non-negotiable. Search. Practice identification. Study historical charts and apply the rules. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes. Check. Keep learning. impulse waves are just the beginning. Dive deeper into wave extensions and corrective patterns to sharpen your skills even further. Remember, discipline is what turns knowledge into mastery.